this for your remembrance so that you remember Grenadians and to be able to know.
Hey man, you're crossing before me.
Call Yiyon.
Grand name.
Your grand name,
grand name for you.
Somebody who call Yiyon. 8 people.
Thank you.
Please take it, show to your family and your brothers and your friends, show you that we admire them, who love them, tell them thank you for what you are doing.
You put it in your Well, where's the bag? Where's the bag? Oh, okay. Got it.
Yes, yes.
This one,
You want to hold it and take picture?
That's it?
And what?
Okay.
Distinguished guests, thank you all so much for your hospitality to me in the short time that I've been here. I would like to thank you for the warm welcome that I've felt since the moment we got here when the mayor came and met us. I'd like to thank you for the program that's set up for tomorrow. And I'd like to thank the members of the Granjita Association in the Americas for setting up this trip and all of their tireless work that went into getting me to Zuidru. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the work that you do every day to improve healthcare in Granjita County in southeastern Liberia. The work that you do, the work that every one of you does every day is the hard work of improving healthcare, of improving the situation in Granjita County. So I would like to thank all of you for that. And I would also like to, again, thank the members of the Granjita Association in the Americas and say that we have a commitment, my organization, Brothers Brother Foundation, has a commitment to work with the Granjita Association in the Americas for our first 2 shipments of medical supplies and equipment, which will be 2 40-foot containers, and we plan to work with the Granjita Association in the Americas as soon as I return to start packing and have that first one hopefully on the water very soon, within weeks of my return. And I would like to thank you as well for my name. I appreciate that very much. I'll have to write down how to what it means as well. We'll have to But and as well for the gifts, I'm honored and I'm humbled because, as I said, every one of you does the difficult work, and I admire all of you in the work that you do. So thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for such a warm welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Administrative Assistant to the Superintendent, County Superintendent. We are the Land Commissioner of the County, Honorable Alfred Doba. As you all are aware, the Mayor of the city, Mrs. Betty Dodd Breeze. They'll get the Administrative Assistant to the City Mayor, Mr. Abba Nene. We want to take this time to congratulate our brothers that are in the States. You know, when we sit back here, we say, what are people doing in America? What are people doing in America? Now that some of the results we are getting today, the medical equipment and supply that is coming is that what they are doing in America. I want to say bravo to every one of you. Because if you are, you know, one time, you know, I can remember people say, in fact, what kind of doing in Monrovia? Now when you're coming from Ghana and Africa, now the million you hosted them, you established. So that is saying things. So want to say, you can stay in America, how long you want to stay? So want to say, thank you very much. Yeah, because remember, this is a small bike. When the student went in the States, upon return, we see the amulet there that came for the Grand Jide Association in America. You say hospital bags with gowns and things. I think that what you're doing there, so we say thank you very much and we appreciate it highly. The most recent one that we're sitting on tonight, we know that you're thinking about this country and your people. Because this government is still in a reforming stage. If you look at our market, if you look at our economy, it's not yet strong because we don't have investors. Every collection that the government made today now is from petty trader. We call it now force the people to pay. We borrow boys and all now they start paying taxes to government because we don't have the ability to raise taxes to pay the people and to support our infrastructure, our medical and schools. So that why we always out there taking our donors, our brothers to come to our aid. So we want to congratulate you people. Our special guests to come from America to Grand Jide, we know the distance involved. But it's because of a humanitarian concern, that's why you came to Grand Jide today. And we want to welcome you, we want to congratulate you for working with our brothers to come with a 42 continuous field with medical supplies. I think that's a good way that we did it. So you are welcome. Having said that, we'll continue to push. You know, just from war to peace, 17 years of demonstration is not easy. So we are asking again, as you're going back in your future planning, to continue to consider Grand Jide, especially our health sector. Martha Thomas Memorial Hospital is the only hospital that speak in the southeast that they do referral. When you go to Railway G now, they're trying to construct their hospital. We are going up to there as compared to Martha Thomas Memorial. When you go to Town, every now and then they are Ivorian crossing the border to come to hospital. When you go to Garetown Bolo, you see the Ivorian sending their people here, especially those villages, alone they bend. Because they cannot afford to go to Jiklo, to go to Abidjan. So we cannot say no, because if you cross Bolo, then we cannot give you, an assistance. So our health teams always constraining their own budget and their medical supply that government gave them to serve other, friends and friendly countries and citizens from there. That will always have the issue of medical problem in this country. If you take your tour of the hospital tomorrow and you compare that of the one you visited, even in Monrovia, you'll be disappointed. It means that we lack of material, we lack of medicine, we lack of qualified manpower. There where we find ourselves. So we will appeal that beyond, even giving us the materials, if you can even help us during your lobbying in the future. So we hire a medical doctor for 6 month period to where we are our medical team on the ground. I think we will really appreciate that also. So we want to appeal in a special way. This is a problem that we have. As we are listening, because of the lack of medical practitioners in this county, our government has decided to put 6 counties under one umbrella in one institution, which is the Southeastern Midwifery School. Tomorrow morning, I'm sorry that I don't know how the time will look. We'll visit the school, we'll visit the campus, the newly constructed campus, to see for yourself what we are going through. The equipment, it ain't available, you cannot demonstrate anything that you say. But you know, when you try about human life, I think you got to do demonstration, tell them, look, you got to do, they don't want to do the safe delivery, this, that. But look, I went to the lab one day, I saw some kind of old things standing on there, that I ain't get new one to replace. So we also appeal that in the future, I think that I'll talk with them, let them give you their list that they need to update the midwifery school, so that in the future, we'll not say now, but in the future, because you give us your word, and you work with the Grand Jide Association in America, so that we can work on something for the midwifery school. I think the urgent need now is to get up bomb beds, get some blankets, and other things to make sure to move by the end of this year to have our students be, hostess in the dormitory that are already controlled by government. They will find ourselves. So we want to begin these requests and remarks so that our brothers that came along with you and our sisters that came along with you to see in the future how to live Grand Jide up. If you listen to radio, Grand Jide is the only country that was badly hit by the world. Because the former president Samuel Doe came from here. So the Liberian people, they were going to get rid of the president. So the concentration was here. That was when exile, we lived there for 17 years. And when we returned, we came with zero. We were only donor country like, how do you call it, World Vision, the MSF Belgium, these are people that control Oxfam, these are people that get us to our feet today. So thank God that you have come. You are so certified. Like you wanted, you sick, and you need medication, then you follow with doctor at the entry of your door.
What they need.
Means the person who can help you, help up. Who can augment your strength? Who can help you? Who can open the way so you can join forces together to achieve the desired goal? That is the need there. So I want to appeal to you as you're going by. Tell your organization, tell the head, say the Grandidians, say my name call you young. And I gotta represent my work, represent my name. Which means I should go by the Grandidian quickly and help. Yeah, that's the need. Yeah. So we'll thank you. You know, we already exhausted the time. We can't be talking and talking and talking. So on that point, you took your time to come and bring the children. We say thank you. That's why we say you must go up there to come. Now you come now. About now come. Mr. Co-Chair, all the members of the Grandidian Association in America want to say you are highly welcome. Anytime our normals and the email, all people pay. When the Grandidian is not for one person, for everyone of us. When you stay there, when you come home, the people that will only theater at the secretary of the event will be going, but the candle will remain. We say night tomorrow, we night today. Because our people that build the facility, the summer party, the quota, the people that doing it, they are not around, we enjoy it. We work together to see how we can move this country forward. So thank you for coming. The way I want to request tomorrow, after the, maybe I may not be around on all official duties, after the hospital to my prayer, just chip into the midwifery school, let's see the campus and then see the need. But now request, and they gave you their list. You add it to the marathon run, also who can carry and see all will come from out of there. Thank you very much.
He accepted that our guests should come here today. Our people have traveled from far off in the America to come here only to see and help our people. We don't want to go into all the protocols. But with what we have discussed, I want to say our guest speaker, Honorable Superintendent, the midwifery officials and the hospital, our old man, we want to say Dalo, Dalo. We are happy that all of you are here. So we just want to tell God thank you and to tell you thank you for coming. Please remember that your brothers are still here. The fact that you remember, we know you will always think about this country. There are many things you need to do. So thank you. Thank you very much for coming.
Is there a meaning pattern or meaning design? Oh wow.
Yes, very African well.
Encore par les laine, on va les citer.
Ah, ma close that.
Encore par les citer sur les citeurs.
Honorable Green. How are you, sir?